I'm Ron Kellett. I'm Director of the School of Architecture and Landscape Architecture and a co-director of the High Performance Buildings Master of Engineering Leadership programs. The High Performance Building program brings together engineers and architects around the study of high performance buildings and the confluence of engineering, design, and business skills. The field of high performance buildings is changing very, very fast. Soon we'll be looking at buildings as being suppliers of energy, not users of energy. The most impressive aspect of the students who graduate from our program is their desire to learn more. I'm always impressed by the degree to which they have awakened a desire to become even better professionals. One of the things that students tell us they have so much appreciation for when they come here is that Vancouver is a wonderful laboratory within which to learn this subject. And so not only does the program afford them a curriculum that achieves this, but they can wander out into the city and onto the campus and they can see what the world looks like if you take those goals and ambitions seriously. High performance buildings to me represents an opportunity for the professionals of the world to be able to rise to the challenge of doing high performance buildings that have integrated systems and high quality design standards and great economic performance at the same time.